Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome to Mims Auto Heads. Today I have a 2008 Honda CR-V and we will be changing the oil pressure switch housing. I have the part here. This is my part. And you only have 3 bolts that you have to take off. So I'm gonna. Okay guys, as you can see here, I got my camera set in there. So we are supposed to take this off, this bolt, and then the bottom one, and they're all 10s. So I'm gonna go get my 1/4-inch wrench, and we will get to that. Okay guys, so I'm gonna loosen this bolt here so I could have a little bit more room to play with. So go 10. So now I can move this line. I can have a little bit more room to wiggle it around. So yeah. Took it out, and here we are. We have two clips that broke, but I have those here with me. So all right, so I have one. I need one more. There's 2 of them broke. Maybe I only have one, so we will just put one back, and we will get our new parts. This is our new parts. Just gonna go tight it up. You see the gasket looks good. We bought this from the dealer, but I think they dropped it when they were shipping it. So here, since the other socket, the plugs into it from the outside, so this is not really a big deal. We'll just put this back in, but this one looks good, and yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put it back here so you can sit and watch. And here we are. One is in. Yeah, the phone is ringing. Not the salesman, so where's the hole, man? Let me do this one first. Yep, it's that sweet spot. And then our last bolt. I keep missing it. Why isn't it going in? Now I got it. Let me tilt this a little bit. And now instead of using this mechanical one, I will just bring my electric wrench, or maybe let me just use hands, okay? This might be very fragile. Nice one. This one is tight. This camera is helping a lot too, you know, so I could see a reflection of what I'm doing. Since I don't want the phone to fall. Now the bottom. Yeah, we changed this whole housing because this engine here is VTEC. So changing just the oil pressure switches, we will have a leak. Uh-oh. One goes here and the other one. Yep. So both of those are clipped in. Since this one is just there, does not go anything that's moving, we will just leave that clamp in. Even if we will leave it without. Okay guys, so now the new oil pressure switch housing is in. You see all the clips are clipped right in. Everything looks good. So now what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna take out my light so I don't forget it there. We will take our scanner and go delete the codes that we had. Scanner time. Yeah. Big boy. Let me go down with the lift. Yeah, we had a bad storm here in Buffalo. If you didn't see the news, past few days we've been stuck at home. Christmas, everyone was at home. Stuck, mad wind outside. So right now I'm happy to be back. And so I'm gonna plug it right in here. Our scanner. Okay, ignition on, and then scanner. All right, Honda. 08 automatic. And then engine codes. You see oil pressure switch, VTEC 1. See here, if you didn't know the problem too, you could just expand this and it will show you the most common fixes, So just clear codes, continue, and now we can start the car. Yep, check engine light is gone right now, and we can turn this off. Yep, we're good. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you really like this video and you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any opinions or things that you need help with, please leave that in the comment section. I will be glad. I mean that from the bottom of my heart. I will be glad to help you out. Thank you. Have a good one. Stay busy and dirty always. Auto heads.